Welcome back to Writing Friends. Today we're going to write our very own friendly letter. So far in this unit, we've learned that writers can use different types of writing, like letters, to communicate with others near or far about ideas, people, places, and things. Remember that to communicate means to share or be giving information. We've also learned that letters have parts, and letters must include a date, which is sometimes called a heading. It has to include a greeting, has a comma in it, and a body. This is where you write all the things you want to say to the reader. It's followed by a closing and your signature, which is your name. Today we will use all we've learned about letter parts and start to write our own friendly letters. We're going to pay special attention to the tone in our letters. What is the tone in a letter? The tone in a letter means how you want to come across in a letter, and two things decide how you will come across in a letter. The first one is purpose. Is this going to be a thankful letter? Are you wishing someone who's not feeling well to do better? Are you sending a sad letter? Maybe you're moving. This is called the purpose of the letter, the reason why you're writing it. The second factor that changes the tone in your letter is who you're writing to. Are you writing to a really close friend? Are you writing to a family member? All these things will decide how you will sound in your letter. For example, in a get well soon letter, you're going to sound very hopeful. You're wishing someone gets better soon. Fingers crossed. In a thank you letter, you're going to sound super grateful and thankful. Maybe someone gave you a gift basket, a birthday gift. Maybe you're thankful someone came to your birthday party and you're thanking them. You're going to sound really happy and excited. So keep that in mind as you choose to write a letter today. Now that we've gone over what a tone in a letter is, let's review some letter parts. Remember that we've learned a heading is the date. That goes at the very top of your friendly letter. After we write our date, we decide who we're writing to. And a greeting can start with dear, hello, hi. This letter is to a grandma. This is where you write the name of the person that you're writing the letter to. Don't forget the comma. In the body of the letter, you share what you want to say. You can ask a question, you can wish someone well, tell them all about your day. After the body, we add a closing. The closing can sound different for everyone. You can make the closing what you want it to be. Some closings are love you, best wishes, all my love, sincerely. After you decide your closing, you add your name because, of course, you wrote the letter, friend. Friendly reminder, use the word wall to write any sight words that are tricky. Your assignment today is to choose one friendly letter to write. First, read the writing prompts in slide A, B, and C and choose the one you like. Then, think about who your audience is. This means, are you writing to a friend, a teacher, someone in your family? Who is the letter going to be for? 3, remember the tone you should use. Are you writing a letter about something exciting you just did? Are you going to pick a choice where you have to write how thankful you are? Or are you going to pick a choice that you're going to sound very hopeful, hoping someone feels better? Last, you can type into the boxes or use the letter writing paper attached. Let's look at some of these options, friends. When you open up your assignment today, you have the option of hearing the prompt again. No worries. Writing prompt A says, write a letter to your best friend to tell them why you are thankful he or she is your friend. Use a checklist, friends, to add all the parts. Writing prompt B says, write a letter to cheer someone up. Tell them you hope they will feel better soon. There's a checklist again so you won't forget. Writing prompt C, write a letter to someone in your family to tell them why you love them. And the last choice is D, Write a letter to someone about a place that you visit recently. Have a great time choosing one of the letter friends. Goodbye.